I will water my hanging plants in a little bit.
Just put the
The
cover
what?
on the boat.
Huh?
I put the cover on the pontoon.
Oh. Oh, did you pour my
Yep.
Coke about your Mountain Dew?
Those are already gone.
Oh. Puhon-puhon lang at paboran ko ni Papa. Yeah. Mo asinso lagi ang taga Pilipinas. Mo asinso ang taga Pilipinas ba? I don't know, I got this phone. Is this my used to be mine? I put your this is mine. Is 4.
Huh?
This is 4. I do not remember.
It's probably my old one.
I think it's mine.
I thought it was mine.
Is 4. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on.
Because you would have had a. Yeah, it's my old one.
Turn this on. Oh, plug this in. Oh, no more.
You don't have. Well, you have to find a cord. I thought because I saved it because I was going back and getting some text messages off of it.
You know, you can bring this over, and if you wanna, like, I don't know, when you buy a new one, and
Okay, that was good in there.
paboran jud ka ni Papa Lord kay buotan man kaay ka bilintot muna nga paboran jud ka ni Lord kay super good girl jud ka.
My legs are.
Yeah, relax. Oh yeah, I told you, that's why I covered myself. I protect myself.
Yeah, you look like
Huh?
You look like crazy.
That's okay. I don't care. People told me crazy because I wanna be safe. Ang mga puti ba? Ang mga puti dito, pag nagpunta sila sa lake.
It's a good thing I grabbed my phone because Sabna did call me when I was out there.
What?
It's a good thing I came back and grabbed my phone because Sabna did call me when I was getting stuff out of the truck.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you have to bring your phone. I'm living in YouTube. Buutan man bitaw ka. Buutan ka ba kay nag-alaga ba ka sa imong lolo? Speaking of lolo, biya kay kuan. Ang ga-raise pod nako ang akong grandparents kay ang akong mama single mom. Unya kay nag-working akong mama ba para na siya ipakaon sa iyang anak. Kaya wala intay bana ang ako ang mama sa una kay single maman. Nya. Salamat kay bilintot taon. Basig ka ng 30 minutes ra siguro ko ron. Kuan lang ba. Salamat kaayo ba. Thank you guys, mag-isdaan kayo dyan. Ilan ba kayo dyan? Hindi ko makita pag pag cellphone. Kasi naka-vertical ito. Wala nga itong I did not put any. Oh, how can I do this? I did not put any ads kay di man malagyan ng ads pag tawag nito. Yeah, nang pag ganito ba? Asa may sign ko eh. Welcome. Thank you so much palangga. Maisdaan kayo dyan guys. Kuya Lib. Eduardo. Bilintot. Asa naman akong naman ko makakita time saragol. What is this? na. Uy, super highlighted membership message. Uy, wala man ko'y membership. Uy, pataka raman ng YouTube. Wala man ko'y membership. Uy, pataka raman ng YouTube. Uy, sige ra ko ani og saan man eh? Hala, uy. Hala. Pataka ra ko ani ba? Uy. Are you sure you want to stop? No. What did I just do? O, dara. Paita ba ning phone nga naka vertical ba? Nagtag ko mga product ba? Kay pwede ka magtag og product.